Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So a few days ago I tested Microsoft's Copilot and I instructed it to make few graphics for me, and the whole thing didn't go well. So this time I will try something similar with Deepseek. I will test more things like whether it is able to suggest me some codes or not, how it answers, and let's see whether it is able to make graphics or not, or if I will have to use another AI application for graphics. So in this video we will explore Deepseek AI and compare it to some extent with ChatGPT. The first test I'm doing is to figure out whether ChatGPT or Deepseek AI can detect what's in the image or not. So here I uploaded an image meme. I wrote, "Do you find this meme relatable?" Now let's see what ChatGPT answers. And then I'll compare it with the answer of Deepseek AI. So it did spew something out. Yes, this meme effectively captures a recurring theme. Selective security, blah 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 blah. Okay, aggressively targets some platforms like TikTok. Fine, so it is able to make out what's happening in the meme. To some extent, ChatGPT is able to figure out what is written in the image. GPT says, yes, this meme effectively captures a recurring theme. Selective security or regulation, it highlights how certain entities like the US government effectively target some platforms, TikTok in this case, while appearing lenient towards others like Red Note and the Xiaohongshu. I think that's the parent company for Red Note, right? It resonates well in discussions about politics, global tech policies, or perceived biases in regulatory actions. A sharp commentary. Fine. So from what I understand, ChatGPT is able to pick out probably the logo of TikTok, Red Note, basically the text that's written and the logo of the company. But I don't think GPT was able to figure out what meme template I used, like Simpsons in this case. So I would say yes, to some extent it did figure out what's happening here, to some extent. Although GPT would have done better, but that's all I could infer from here. Now let's try Deepseek AI. Now if you notice here, this is where I could attach an image, but it says text extraction only. So I suppose we can upload docs or image files, 100 MB max, but it would only extract the text, which means it might score less in this test, less than GPT. We'll see about that. So the image is being uploaded, and let me just drop my question now. Do you find this meme relatable? The content you provided appears to be a mix of text and a link, possibly related to a meme or an image file named blah blah blah. However, without seeing the actual image or meme, it is difficult to determine if it's relatable. Without seeing the image, is Deepseek telling me that it is not able to view the image and it is only able to extract text from it? The text includes references to US government, Red Note, and Xiao, whatever that was, parent company, which is a Chinese social media platform, and a link to, that's my freelance unit. Anyways, what Deepseek did here, it scanned through the image, pulled out the text, and threw it randomly without making any inferences, which means DeepSeek AI has failed this test. Anyways, then DeepSeek AI says, if you can provide more context or describe the meme, I might be able to give a better assessment of its relatability. It has no idea what's happening in the image meme. Then I wrote, leave it, buddy. I don't think DeepSeek is, I think it's in a baby stage. Maybe after 1 or 2 years, it will improve. DeepSeek says, got it. If you have any other questions or need assistance with something else, feel free to ask. I wrote, what do you think of the meme? DeepSeek says, since I can't view the actual image or meme from the file you mentioned, I cannot provide a specific opinion on it. However, if you describe the meme or its content, I'd be happy to share my thoughts or discuss why it might be relatable or funny. Memes often rely on shared experiences or cultural references, so context is key. Not satisfied. If I were to rate GPT's response and DeepSeek's response, I would give it 8 out of 10 to ChatGPT and 2 out of 10 to DeepSeek AI. That's about it. Now that was test 1. I will do more tests with coding and more graphics and text also. So stay tuned. I will drop the second part very soon. Goodbye.